Hey guys, welcome back to my music and makeup channel. This is your girl AJ. I can't stand when people do their voice up and down like that. They're like, and next we're gonna do this, and then that, and then this, and then that. But that's beauty vloggers and beauty gurus. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AJ. As you guys already know, some of you know, none of you know, but I am going to be doing this left-handed challenge. I am killing the game when it comes to my right hand. Like, I eat with my right hand. I do everything with my right hand. I write with my right hand. I am, you know, right brain dominant, so everything is with my right hand, although it's supposed to be the other way around, but I don't know. It's weird. I only drive with my left hand. And the reason why I'm doing this left-handed challenge is because of the fact that I hurt my right hand. I want to tell you guys the story of how I hurt my right hand. I like sort of sprained it kind of, or bruised it or whatever, and it happened in the bathroom. That's all I'm gonna say. This happened in the bathroom. The bathroom is a dangerous place. My mom ended up, for those of my Haitian descent people, my mom ended up doing something called l'huile masquetti. And if you're not Haitian, you're not gonna know what that means, but it's like a sour orange they put on it with like some oil, and they heat it up, and then they put it on your wound or whatever, and then wrap it up, and then the next few days it should feel better. I'm hoping that it does get better soon, because it still does hurt, and I'm hoping that I don't have to get an x-ray done. Haitians never want to go to the doctor unless they need to. Like, they will do every kind of remedy on you until they don't have a remedy left, and then they're gonna go ahead and be like, all right, now we need to take you to the hospital, now we need to take you to the doctor. Meanwhile, I am gonna do this left-handed challenge for you guys. It's gonna be very difficult. Let's get into the video. Sure, I already told you I hurt my hand, so I'm gonna try to do everything with my left hand, my least dominant hand, and I only use this hand for driving. Like, honestly, I only drive with this hand. I'm quite nervous just because I've never done my makeup with my left hand. Anyway, for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use this MaryKay thing. I'm still using my right hand, but just like an assistance. It's not the main event. And I'm gonna just put that all over my face. I'm going to buff that in with an e.l.f. B Mall. I think this is an Amazon brush. I'm just gonna buff that in with my left hand. Usually I do this part with my right hand, but this is a left-handed challenge today. This week on What Will AJ Do Next? I'm going for a natural look because I can't do anything else. No really intricate stuff today, guys. Well, it is Friday, and I'm going to Bible study. Yeah. This Pro Concealer by LA Girl, and I'm using it in the color, I don't know if you see that, Fawn. Put it under the eye. I don't do this with any. I never use my left hand. All right, and then a damp beauty blender. Let's get it. That was nerve-wracking. I know you guys see that huge rock, right? It's beautiful. I'm getting married. Yay. I'm going to take my e.l.f. tapered brush, and I'm going to dip it into some Laura Mercier powder. I'm just gonna put that up under my eyes. Everywhere that you put concealer, you wanna go ahead and put powder on it. With my unicorn brush, and it's so pink, it's got unicorns on it. I got it from IPSY. I'm going to take my contour shade in Black Radiance. Oh, this is the hardest part, I really think. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour. Oh my gosh, I did not know how hard that this was gonna be with my left hand. I think that looks okay. I think that looks okay. I'm gonna use this Too Faced Love Flush. Oh, Love Hanger. Sorry, it's called Love Hanger. And it's like a pinky, it's like a dark pink kind of color. Here we go, blush. This is like a way pinkier blush than I usually use, but I am wearing a pink shirt, so I look very pink now. I'm gonna put it a little over my nose. People put blush over their nose and over their everywhere, kind of just to look more pink and bring back color into their face, especially when they don't really feel too good. Can you see that? Beauty bronzer called Summertime by IPSY. And I am going to take my Luxie 522 tapered highlight brush and just go ham on that highlighter. Just go in above where I put that blush. Above the blush. Now that I've done that, it's time for eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and do eyebrows off the camera. And here we go. Insta brows. Okay, so I didn't want you guys to see me struggle to do my brows, but now I'm going to at least attempt to do some kind of color on my eyes, because anyways, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and use that same contour color I used, and I'm going to attempt my best to try to get a color going in here. I wonder if I should attempt to do a liquid lip or just keep it simple. I feel like a child coloring in a coloring book. I'm gonna take one of these flat brushes and this highlight color and attempt to do something in the middle, kind of like a halo effect. I think this is good enough. This is good enough. It's good enough. Add some more shine in there. We said we want a dewy skin today. Okay. All right. Oh, almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. Yes. Okay. Lip liner. Boom. This is gonna be disastrous. Ooh, okay. I can't go over. I'm too scared. Let's just natural it up. Natural. I'm gonna take this Dulce Carmelo in the number 27. And this is by Milani. Oh, is this how left-handed people do their lips? Okay, I think that I am finished. This is the finished look, guys. Well, as you guys know, like, comment, subscribe, push that little bell thingy so you're notified of every single upload. I love you guys, and have a good day. See you next time.